It's kind of very interesting. I've probably used maybe close to about 30-something cath lab machines.
Yes.
I've used GE, Toshiba, Siemens, and so on and so forth. And so my first preference before was GE. I would say probably 98% of all the cath lab machine that I bought, in the US were GE.
Yes.
Because that is American product.
Yes.
Then a friend of mine in America, actually in Pennsylvania, called me and sent me the IITPL, machine. He said, "You want to consider this?" And I look at it, said it's very reasonable and it is very good quality. So I look at the video, and that was the beginning. So then I was very interested in terms of what I'm looking at as the value. That is the first thing.
Yes, sir.
The cost. Okay. And then in Nigeria, I said, you know what? I need to really look at this. That was when I came to India and I came to ITPL. And I was taken to so many programs, hospitals. I think about 3 or 4 hospitals we went to with my cath lab technician, Naveen. So, and we got there and I like it. But the one that I saw, I wasn't quite very sold, with it. And then they told me about the elite, which I never saw. That it was the new generation. That's your third generation.
Yes, sir.
So by faith, I just took it. And now we came in now to the cath lab now, and then it got installed. And I'm not kidding you, it is awesome.
Thank you.
It is awesome in that when I look at the quality of the images that I got, the easy way to use the machine, very, what I call the operator friendly using machine. And then the quality of the images is really incredible. Besides now, I'm actually looking forward to use the other products. That is, I haven't used yet, but it's in the machine. The FFR and the IVOS.
Yes.
So, but on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm not kidding you, I would say probably I will give, ITPL, between 8 and 9. Yeah, really, I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the budget. Yeah.
So how was the installation experience?
That was the one that really very amazed me. Now from the time that we made the full payment, fortunately for us, we sent it by air. We didn't use the boat. We're talking of like within 48 hours, the machine left India, it got to Nigeria. Within 48 hours that it got to Nigeria, we were able to get it into, to our hospital. And the preparation, the pre-arrival preparation was really great. Because you came. You came, you already did the map out, what we need to do, what voltage we need, what electrical current and everything, and all those ones that were done, pre-installation, really made life easier.